Twitchy, come here.
Lily and Twitchy are playing together. Lily,
Here, Lily.
show him what you do with the dog. Put it in your mouth. Twitchy, give it to Lily. Come here. Lily, here. Let go, Twitchy.
She wants to play tug of war. She dominates Lily.
Twitchy, let go. This is an annoying video because Twitchy's pulling me. Here, Lily.
You like a dog? You gotta talk.
So gross. You're gross.
You weirdo.
You'll never get sick. Here. Oh, you won.
Oh. Hey,
Lily. Thank you. I'll trade you. Lily, look, I have the pea pod. Liliana.
She's over it.
Are you engrossed in TV now? Oh, there's a dog on TV.
As a healing and spiritual companion. As a herder to give us mastery.
It's so gross.
And as a guide into unknown territories.
Time for a little swinging.
That's your brother's.
No. It's not yours. You had a pink one.
What are you doing? Hey, catch. Ready? 1,
In the next
2.
episode, the dog's incredible journey of evolution becomes an explosion of breeds.
Lily, can you sing for us like you were earlier? La la la.
La 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 la.
Early types of working dog were to be shaped by the
Say bye bye to the camera, Lily.